and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Tropical Cruise to Jamaica a buzz on many charts. The third in the series is again making history since its release over the weekend. The album Tropical Cruise to Jamaica Reggae Collector's Edition is the first reggae album to ever top the all-genre charts in Ghana. The album features Shatta Wale AloneStar Sharon, producer, rapper and cousin of British pop star Ed Sheeran, who is credited for taking previous compilations to #1 on Billboard. AloneStar shared with E Prime on the success of the project so far.
It's an incredible feeling to hit #1 and #2, particularly in the UK. #1 in Greece, I believe, #1 in Ghana, and all genres, overshadowing the likes of Justin Bieber and Ariana Grande, which is an incredible achievement. So proud of Shatta Wale. It's incredible to be in the company of the likes of Capleton and Sizzler, Vibes Cartel, Beanie Man, Elephant Man, all these artists I grew up listening to as a child and could only dream of being on a compilation album with them. Not only that, on the next project I'll be collaborating with them.
The compilation album is headlined by top Ghanaian dancehall artist Shatta Wale with his already chart-topping single Dream.
Well, I feel honored, and I'm touched beyond words, but all I gotta say is I'm so happy that I'm part of this historic album. And Africa is so proud, and Africa is happy that, the Caribbean is looking back home, and they're really, trying to project Africa in the way we have to project it. And so it's one of the greatest moments in my life. I'm a dancehall artist. I do reggae as well. But most of the times I tell people that, we need to project, African music to the world. And reggae and dancehall is also part of African music, So I really feel honored for this opportunity.
Executive producer of the album, Sean Contractor Edwards, spoke with E Prime on the significance of the project.
It is made specifically for the African market primarily. Africa is a place that has 1 billion people. And if we can tap into that market, the reggae industry, we will send up our sales will soar. And also, in terms of the marketing, the artists have a wider market now, will have a wider market to go on tour. So by opening up the African market, we're looking to open up the entire European market and expand the sales of reggae music that has been so low.
Another big win for dancehall and our culture. Tropical Cruise to Jamaica Reggae Collector's Edition is available for streaming on all major platforms. That's it for E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.